Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can add calendar to iCloud. So adding calendar to your iCloud helps you back up your data. So what we have to do is first of all open up your settings. And here we can see our Apple ID on the top of the screen. We can see our Apple ID, tap on it. And among them we can see the option called iCloud. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here we can see the app which is like using iCloud. Go ahead and tap on show all, and if you scroll all the way down you can see the calendar option. So it's turned off, so toggle it on, and once it's turned on it will automatically back up your data. So that's all guys, this is how it is easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.